We will now explain how to set up the Taito Frontline game in RetroPie to work with the GRS Super Joystick. First, make sure the 2-in-1 button is in blue light mode, which is the gamepad point of view hat mode. Then, we open the Frontline game. Please make sure you are using the MAME2010 core. After entering the game, press Tab to go into the main menu. Then, we go to Input, this game, to start mapping the keys. First, we set up Start and Coin. Next, we map the up, down, left, and right movements of the GRS Super Joystick to P1's right joystick. For P1's left joystick, we need to use the Calibration PCB to perform joystick hat mapping. Make sure the Calibration PCB is connected to the joystick first. Then, after clicking left up, press the U on the Calibration PCB to complete the up mapping. After clicking left down, press the D on the Calibration PCB, and so on to complete the left and right mapping. Finally, map button 1 and button 2. This completes all settings. Then, we press Tab to exit the main menu. Now, you can start the game. As you can see, the game controls are now fully matched to the gameplay.